If you're new to Monday.com and want to finally get your task list truly organized, this beginner-friendly tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, streamlined Monday board so you always know what's next, who's responsible, and nothing slips through the cracks. Let's get started. The very first step is setting up your task board, and trust me, this is the foundation for everything you'll do in Monday.com. You'll start by creating a new board. Just click that plus button in your workspace. Then choose New Board. You can start from scratch or pick one of Monday's task management templates to give yourself a head start. The real secret here is how you organize your groups. Think of groups as the big buckets your tasks will live in. There are a few popular approaches. You might want to divide tasks by workflow stages like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done, which gives you that classic Kanban feel so you can literally watch your tasks progress visually. Or consider organizing by priority. Say, high, medium, or low priority. This lets your team laser focus on the items that really move the needle. And if you prefer working by deadlines, groups like this week, next week, and later instantly clarify what needs attention right now. Choose whichever method matches how you think about your work, because this structure shapes all your planning from here on out. Once your board's skeleton is ready, it's time to add some muscle by configuring your columns. Columns are where your tasks become actionable, not just a long list. Every board needs a status column, which you can customize with clear labels like working on it, stuck, or done. These colorful buttons instantly tell you and your teammates how things are moving. The person column is your go-to for assigning ownership. Whether it's a solo task, a group effort, or something only your manager should handle, make sure every item is assigned. This one little habit makes accountability crystal clear. Next, you'll want a date or timeline column, especially helpful if you manage ongoing projects or need to plan ahead. The timeline view is great for larger projects. You can even look at your board Gantt style if that helps you visualize start and end dates. And don't forget the priority column, separate from status. This really helps break the tie when you're deciding what needs to be tackled first. If a task is particularly complex, use sub-items to break it into mini tasks. This keeps your board tidy without losing those critical details. Don't worry if this feels a little overwhelming at first. Building the right columns pays off every single day. Now, the secret sauce to keeping your task list organized is automations. Automations might sound fancy, but they're actually simple rules that save you tons of manual work. Head to the Automate Center and set up basic recipes like moving a task to the Done group automatically when its status changes to Done. This keeps your active task lanes clear. You'll never have to scroll through completed work again. You can also set up automated notifications, so when a deadline hits, the assigned team member gets a ping. No more forgotten due dates. These little touches make your Monday board feel like a helpful assistant. Task boards aren't just lists. They're meant to help you focus, and views are the magic ingredient here. Click plus Add View at the top and choose My Week to see only what's on your personal plate today and throughout the week. Kanban View is excellent for dragging cards between workflow stages and spotting bottlenecks visually. Or switch to Calendar View for a clean glance at every upcoming deadline. Great for monthly planning or seeing when your workload will spike. Changing views might seem minor, but it can seriously boost your productivity and make overwhelming lists feel manageable. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for anyone just getting started. Make sure every single task is assigned. No orphaned items. Keep your statuses updated. This is what powers all those handy automations and makes your reports accurate. Never hesitate to archive boards or groups you don't actively use. Monday's archive keeps everything safe for reference without cluttering your workspace. And always use the powerful search bar when your boards get crowded. Think of it as your shortcut to find anything, from tasks to team updates. That's the basics of Monday task management. Hopefully you're feeling ready to organize like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or tips you have in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner tutorials just like this one. See you next time.